Did you know that the Volkswagen Golf GTI has never been built outside of Germany or China? Well, that is until today, because this all-new 8th generation GTI is actually locally assembled here in Pekan, and here are the 5 things that you need to know. On the outside, the GTI here actually looks fairly similar to the standard 1.4 TSI variant, and that's because both of them are actually built on the same R-Line exterior package. The GTI of course gets a few extra goodies, including the honeycomb mesh grille cover, the red pinstripe accents, larger 18-inch wheels with red brake calipers, actual twin tailpipes exits at the back, and of course the GTI badging. The LED plus headlights and LED taillights though, those are shared between the two models. Underneath the bonnet here is a revamped EA888 2-litre turbocharged engine, now making 245 horsepower and 370 Nm of torque. As before, it's front-wheel drive only with power sent through a 7-speed wet door clutch DSG gearbox for a century sprint time of 6.4 seconds. Just like the outside, the cabin here is again very similar to the standard R-Line model, with most of the features shared between the two models. These include the 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, the 10-inch touchscreen infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a 3-zone climate control with rear blower as well as a rear control panel. Because this is the GTI hot hatch model, there are of course some extra special sauce to help with its performance. This includes the electronic differential lock or XDS that supposedly help reduce understeer and improve traction, the dynamic chassis control, as well as a vehicle dynamics manager that lets you play with even more settings to further fine-tune your drive. The all-new Volkswagen Golf GTI is priced at 212,000 ringgit on the road without insurance and inclusive of the sales tax exemptions until the 30th of June 2022. Also included in the price is a 5-year unlimited mileage warranty as well as a 3-year free scheduled service program. For more information on the all-new Golf GTI, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.